The name of Aniway is believed to have come from a local legend tied to the word Hinwanay or Hanway, which refers to a place associated with a river current or water flow. One popular explanation says that early inhabitants used a word similar to Hinwanay to describe the steady movement of water in the area's rivers. When the Spaniards arrived, they often misheard or altered native words, eventually recording it as Haniway. Haniway is a first-class municipality in Iloilo, Philippines, was officially established in 1770 following recommendations from Spanish Governor Francisco Bayot de Ocampo. The name believed to originate from the combination of Han and Y, names of ruling datos sons, and a local rattan reed, or from the phrase Hani Uway. Haniway, Iloilo is a municipality rich in history and culture, shaped by the bravery and contribution of its people, from early native leaders to modern achievers. The town has produced individuals who have made a lasting impact both locally and nationally. These significant figures are remembered not only for their achievements but also for how they helped define the identity of Hanway. One of the most notable local heroes is Dato Dumagtul. He is remembered for his strong resistance against Spanish colonization. Rather than submit to foreign rule, he chose to lead his people into the mountains, preserving their independence and culture. His courage and determination symbolize the spirit of freedom and resilience among the people of Haniway. In contrast, Dato Wawi played a different but still important role in history by accepting Spanish authority. His leadership helped establish order and marked the beginning of formal governance in the area. Geography. Haniway is a municipality located in the province of Iloilo on Panay Island. It lies northwest of Iloilo City and has a land area of about 179 square kilometers. Its location makes an important agricultural area in the region. The topography of Haniway includes flat plains, rolling hills, and some mountainous areas. The lowlands are suitable for farming, while the uplands are more forested. Because of this landscape, the town has variety of plant life such as rice, coconut trees, and bamboo, as well as animals like birds, small mammals, and reptiles. Haniway has a population of over 60,000 people, most of whom depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Overall, its geography supports both farming and natural ecosystems, making it an important part of Iloilo rural economy. Culture. The culture of Haniway is shaped by strong traditions, religion, and community values. Located in Iloilo, the town reflects a blend of Filipino customs and Spanish influence. Most residents are Roman Catholics, and religious celebrations, especially the Feast of St. Julian, are important events in the community. Hiligaynon is the main language spoken, showing the town's Visayan identity. Values such as bayanihan, respect for elders, and close family ties and still practiced in everyday life. Agriculture also plays a big role, influencing the people's lifestyle, food, and traditions. Conclusion. The history of Haniway reflects a journey of resilience, transformation, and cultural growth. From its early beginnings as a settlement led by native leaders like Dato Dumagtul to its development under Spanish colonial rule, the town has experienced significant changes that shape its identity. These historical events contributed to the establishment of its social structure, traditions, and governance. Despite foreign influence, the people of Haniway preserved their customs, values, and strong sense of community. Today, its rich past can still be seen in its heritage sites, traditions, and the pride of its people. Overall, the story of Haniway highlights the strength and unity of its people overcoming challenges and maintaining their cultural heritage.